In Switzerland, around 7,000 people fall ill with whooping cough every year. The responsible bacterium is highly contagious and spreads easily over a meter in the air through droplets when sneezing, talking, and coughing. Adolescents and adults with whooping cough usually suffer from flu-like symptoms such as a runny nose, weakness, and occasionally a fever, as well as a cough that lasts for several weeks. The classic whooping cough symptoms suffered by children, a cramping cough with violent coughing fits at night, are very rare in this group. Nevertheless, infected adolescents and adults are contagious. Infection is particularly dangerous for infants. Whooping cough can cause them to stop breathing, resulting in brain damage due to lack of oxygen, pneumonia, and in extreme cases, death by suffocation. A combined booster vaccination helps adolescents and adults to protect not only themselves, but also the very young. In Switzerland, a triple vaccination is available to protect not only against whooping cough, but also against diphtheria and tetanus. And that's reason enough for us to look into the matter. Helsana is committed to health and actively encourages personal responsibility and health literacy. We take a close look at complex health issues and reveal the facts. The Harding Center for Risk Literacy at the University of Potsdam has summarized the potential benefits and adverse effects of the combined booster vaccination against whooping cough in adolescents and adults based on the available scientific studies. The model calculations based on this research show that between 50 and 80 out of every 100 young people and adults who have not had the combined booster injection can be expected to catch whooping cough if they come into contact with a carrier. By contrast, 3 to 10 out of 100 vaccinated adolescents and adults have been shown to contract the disease after being exposed to the pathogen. Without a combined booster vaccination, 40 to 80 people out of every 100 would suffer from a cough lasting at least 3 weeks. Among those vaccinated, this figure is only 2 to 10 people. The Harding Center has also summarized the findings of studies to date on the harm potentially caused by booster vaccination. These reveal that, as far as the temporary side effects caused by vaccination are concerned, it makes no difference whether people receive a vaccination solely against tetanus and diphtheria, or whether they receive the triple vaccination, which also protects against whooping cough. In both cases, between 5 and 30 out of every 100 adolescents and adults suffered from a high temperature. There was, likewise, no difference in the frequency of headaches and exhaustion. As with any vaccination, redness, soreness, and swelling may be experienced at the injection site. There is no evidence of major complications following a combination vaccination. The likelihood of actually coming into contact with the whooping cough pathogen is dependent on many factors, such as the number of people who have had the vaccination in the general population. The more people who are vaccinated, the less the pathogen can spread. Get vaccinated, and you're protecting not only yourself, but also others against infection. Ultimately, however, everyone needs to decide for themselves whether getting a booster vaccination is a good idea or not. We hope you now have a clearer overview of this complex issue.